Okay, everyone, 23rd of April, Friday, very late, 7 o'clock at night in UK. Bitcoin 4-hour chart. So quickly look at this. We got, like we said this morning, got the 1, 2, 3, got the nice triangle and wave 5. Perfectly worked out, hit our target and it bounced. So very, very good news. Just be aware that this looks like could be a 1, 2, 3. Before it actually goes, could be 4 like this. One wave 5 down and then the up move. Okay, so just be aware of that if you're in Bitcoin. Just remember, this is still very, very sideways. So if I go to the daily on Bitcoin, just to give you the bigger picture, I mean, this is seriously went up, correction, went up, correction. And since then, it's been up, but sideways, up and down. So that's very, very sideways. It's not like going up like a rocket. So this is quite scary. So this might just be, okay, I'm trying, I can't, I'm trying, I can't. So do this and then do a new low and then finally get some energy and go up. So be very aware of that. So what I'm doing is I'm going to, on a 4-hour chart, I'm going to say, this is the down move, it's my wave 4 and that's 5. So normally what happens now, we got a 1, 2, 3 and continuation down, which is very normal after 5 waves. So this is my level, and what is this? This is like 56, 57,000 level. So once this goes 1, 2, 3, up a wave 4, and goes down, then you know it's very bearish. But if for some reason this thing goes like and then shoots through it, then we know we are bullish. So this level right here, keep an eye on that, mark it on your charts, because if it doesn't break that, we are bearish. Okay, all bad news. So same thing for everything else. If I look at the next thing, Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum is a bit different to everything else, but we're looking at that, and now we're going to crash. Okay, we're back. So we're looking at that and that. So if this goes down, up, and then possibly down to there before that move, just be aware of that. So if you're in a buy on the Ethereum, it could still go like this up to this level, which is 24.5, 25, come down to here, which is 2000 before it actually goes up. So this is what I call a flat correction or a running flat. So if Ethereum is strong as it is, like it says it is, it's all good. From here it'll go. But just remember, if you're in Ethereum, don't panic. When you get down to 2000, it should go up. If it breaks 1900, yeah, then you start to worry, okay? For the guys that are liking Litecoin is still okay, hard down, sideways. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like I've been saying for the last week. So we still got our target down here. So it reached it before. Remember this morning I said it reached the target of 2007 or 207, below 210. We still can't go to 200 though. So let's just see. This is quite strong down. It might just go like this and come down here again before it actually goes up. Okay, it's Litecoin. Ripple, XRP. Okay, so this one. How many times I've said this? 1, 2, 3, 4, triangle, 5 down. Now we should get an up move. But what if we get, let me go to 1 hour. Okay, so we still got our wave 4 triangle. Exactly, remember I said yesterday, that's our limit. Mustn't pass that, so it worked out very nicely. The only thing is now, this 5 waves, or wave down for number 5, is it finished? No, we're going up. That's the question now. So that's we're asking, is that done? Now, my question to you is this actually done? So we have to look at this as a might be 1, 2, 3, might be 4. And like I said this morning, we might do one more dip down at 85 cents or 80 cents before we go up. Okay, so be aware of that. So right now it's gone down. It bounced off very nicely from that level, which was the 88 level. So did it go up hard? No, it didn't. If this thing went up very sharply, like hard, and then this and then, I would be smiling. But right now, went down hard, and you went up sideways, not very strong, which means it might be wave 4. Just to do one more dip and just touch the low here, guys. If it touches 80 cents, something like that, then yes, it will probably bounce from there. Okay. Now, having said that, please remember our bullish levels only at wave E, which is 40. Okay, that's 142, 143, 144. Okay, so once this breaks that level, then we know for sure it's going up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Break at level, come down again, and there we go. If that's the case, then we're bullish. If it's not, then yeah, we've got a bit of a problem here. So okay, so right now we're looking for correction down here. It might break the low from this morning down to 80 cents or whatever, and then go up. As soon as we go above 145, guys, we are smiling. Okay, good luck.